Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to trigger a skill in Claude Cowork. So, as I said in this video, I will show you how to trigger a skill in Claude Cowork, because this is very important to say that skills in Cowork don't get selected manually most of the time. They are triggered automatically based on the prompt. And if you watched some of my previous videos, you know that when I created, for example, a docx file or PowerPoint presentation, we were calling the docx, we are triggering the docx skill and the pptx skill, for example. And I will show you in this video how does it work. So I will just create a simple PDF file and I will show you how the skills are being triggered in Cowork. If you are interested in more advanced videos from skills, for example, in Cowork, I will record that in the future, so you can actually leave a like and leave on the channel. But for now, I will just create a simple file. So create a simple PDF file with the name, for example, output.pdf. File should contain what it should contain? Maybe one page to not make it so long, and the information about AI in 2026. And maybe I will add that file should contain only plain text. Why I am adding that? Because it will be faster, so we don't have to wait for the model to add some advanced, for example, images, so some advanced formatting. Only plain text is enough in this video, because I'm just only showing you of how to trigger automatically a skill. So I will presenter and what we are doing. First of all, we are working on it, and now, as I said, we are triggering the skill. So here we have the running skill information. Here you have the context. Inside of the context you have skills, and in that case we are using only PDF skill. If you are creating, for example, the docx document, you are using the docx skill. And if you are, for example, switching from, not switching, but converting the docx file into a PDF file, you are actually using two skills. So I will record the video in the future of how to convert PDF to docx. If I will record this video, in this video I will actually use two skills in one moment. So in that case I used only PDF. As you can see, I have this PDF here, so I have artificial intelligence about in 2026. It is working fine. I said that it should be one page long. It is a little bit longer, but in that case it doesn't really matter. Of course you can ask AI to make it a little bit shorter, but this is how you can run a skill in Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.